Get the air and blow the dirt off. This.
Oh, what are you going to use?
This.
Oh, well, that's a great pan right there. Okay, let's check the margin on that door, Andrew. What do we got? We're just presetting it. Nice swing. Does it stay anywhere on the swing? Doesn't swing? Pull it and put it in any position. We don't want it to. We want the door to stay in any position. So hold it at about, yeah, doesn't naturally swing. Right, just hold it. Perfect. It's a beauty. Okay, let's check out the margin. It's pretty decent, eh? Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that. It's a beauty. So,
Not bad for two old guys. Eh?
yeah, not too bad for two old guys.
Well, you have 90 years experience here.
Well, yeah, that's right. Between the two of us, eh? Oh, you can't come back. That's the thing.
Well, there.
Okay.
I gotta come back here.
Just a tad. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Fucking genius.
All right. So.
Fucking genius.
You know what I'd really like to do, right?
You got ram board up this high, taped in between here. Okay.